Okay, kids, who wants to lead our prayer? I think Nicholas not chat ya. Belum pernah Nicholas ya. Okay, so I think Nicholas ya will lead this prayer. Okay, Nicholas, go ahead.
Ready to pray. Let's pray together. Dear God, thank you for today. Thank you for your blessings. God, we want to study math. Please bless our teacher, Miss Jessie, so she can teach us by patience. Please bless our internet connection so we can run our Zoom smoothly. Thank you, God. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Nicholas. Okay, so I want to ask you ya kids ya who have seen the PDF learning. Udah dilihat nak semua PDF learningnya yang Miss kasih?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ya. How about the videos? Not yet, I
Miss,
think ya.
I cannot see the video because the connection is lelet-lelet, Miss.
Others gimana nak? Soalnya Miss lihat di sini kayaknya belum banyak yang nengok gitu. How about others? Why don't you see the video nak? How about Andre? Andre kepalanya jangan nampak Andre. Jidatnya jangan nampak. Diturunin di kameranya nak. Oke, gitu kan properly kan. Oke.
My laptop is otomatis, Miss.
Oh ya. Oke. How about Hillary? Already? Okay, good job. Okay, kids, now I want to share the material, but okay, wait, let me a minute. Okay, this is our topic today ya kids ya, about the new lesson, but still in the solid, okay? Today, we are going to learn about the volume of solids ya. In the last meeting, we already learned about the surface area of the solid. Now, we are going to learn about the volume, its volume, okay? Nah, I want to tell you the definition of the volume, okay? The volume is the measure of the amount of space inside of a solid figure. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya di volume di surface area, luas permukaan, kita kan pengen tahu luas permukaannya aja yang di outside, right? But in here, in the volume, we want to measure the amount of the space inside of a solid. For example, this is a solid, yeah, three-dimensional shape. Okay, and then I want to fill this solid with water. And then I wondering how much water that I need to fill this solid. So to know the answer, it means we want to find the volume of its solid. Okay? Nah, sebelum Miss lanjut, I want to show you ya the video tutorial that I sent to you. Okay, please disimak, pay attention, and then I want to ask you what do you get from that video, yeah? Okay, kids, happy watching.
Hi everyone, welcome back with DC. Today we are going to learn about the volume of solid. So now I want to show you one of solid, which is a cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid, and now we want to find the volume of this cuboid. We know that volume is the measure of inside of a solid, measure of amount inside of a solid. So I water in here, and I want to know how much water that I need to fill this cuboid. Okay, so it means I want to find the volume of this cuboid. So I already measure this cuboid, the length. Okay, as you can see, the length in here is 10 centimeters. The width, lebarnya 9 centimeter, and also the height is 9 centimeters. Okay, so I want to fill this. It means I want to find the volume of this cuboid. Okay, so I have red water in here. We want to find how much water that we need to fill this cuboid. Okay. Okay, to know how much water that we need to fill this cuboid, I already make in here the volume of cuboid. The volume, the formula is base area times the height. Okay, we know the base area of this cuboid is rectangle. So the area of rectangle is length times width, and then we multiply with the height. Okay, so in here the length is 10 centimeters and the width is 9 centimeters and the height is 9 centimeters. So I multiply them and then I got 10 times 9 times 9, 810 centimeter cubic. The amount of this water that inside of this solid, which is the volume, is 810 centimeter cubic.
Okay, that's all kids. So we already watch ya the video tutorial about the volume. Miss di situ menerangkan artinya apa sih yang dimaksud dengan volume gitu kan. In the last meeting we already know to find the surface area. For example, kalau kita mau membungkus kado, kadonya itu berbentuk cuboid ya kan? And then we want to know berapa banyak ya kertas kado yang Miss butuhkan untuk to wrap this cuboid, untuk membungkus kado ini full. Nah, itu artinya we want to find the surface area. Kita hitunglah berapa lengthnya, berapa width-nya, and berapa height-nya. Setelah kita dapatkan each dimension, the length, the width, and the height, and then kita cari rumus formula untuk the surface area. And after that, dengan begitu, kita tahu bahwa berapa banyak luas atau berapa besar kertas kado yang kita butuhkan untuk membungkus this cuboid. Okay, that's the implementation of surface area. Now, we move to the volume. Okay, kalau volume tadi kan, di situ Miss tunjukkan about the inside of the solid. For example, kan seperti Miss bilang tadi, yang di video tadi, Miss, di situ kan ada Tupperware. Tupperware-nya itu the shape is cuboid. And I wondering how much water that I need to fill this cuboid till penuh, sampai penuh. Nah, berarti kalau misalnya ditanya berapa banyak water yang kita butuhkan, berarti kita harus hitung volumenya. Okay, so the first step, if we want to find the volume, we measure the length, the width, and the height. Okay, and then we have to know what shape is this. For example, kalau misalnya cylinder, for example, di cylinder kan tadi adanya itu two circle in the bottom and the height and also the height kan, dan tingginya. Nah, tapi kalau di Tupperware Miss tadi itu kan cuboid. So the best area of cuboid is rectangle. Nah, jadi kita harus tahu juga bentuk apa dari cuboid itu. Kalau misalnya dia base areanya circle, beda sama volume yang base areanya rectangle. Oke, any questions so far, kids? Atau ada yang mau menambahkan? What do you got from that video?
No, Miss.
No ya? Oke. So, I will continue ya, kids ya. Oke. Nah, we already see ya the implementation how to find the volume of solid. It means we count the measure of demand of space inside of a solid figure. Oke. Nah, di sini kids, we have to pay attention in the units ya. Units itu satuan, oke, satuan. We already know that this is a, what shape is this kids?
Cube. Rectangle. Square, Miss. Square.
Yes. Kalau dia seperti ini kan it means two-dimensional shape ya. So if two-dimensional shape we call it as a square. Okay. And here in the right side I have, what is this kids?
Cubic. Cubic, Miss.
Cubic. The shape, the name of the solid. Cube, right?
Cube.
Yeah, cube. So this is square and this is a cube. Okay. Now we can see in here, I put the centimeters in here and also in here. So I just make two, 1 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Yang artinya hanya ada 2 dimensi, yaitu panjang, the length, and also the height. Atau lebarnya bisa juga kita buat sebagai width-nya ya, atau tingginya. So kalau kita ingin mencari hasilnya, kita kan we talk about the units, right? So if you want to find the surface area of here, luas dari area ini, it means we multiply kan the dimensional. So if this two-dimensional, artinya berarti kita kalikan sebanyak 2 kali. Centimeters times centimeters. So we got centimeter square. Okay, so we call it as square. Itu the unitnya, itu satuannya ya. Kalau dalam bahasa, we say it kuadrat. Jadi kalau misalnya satuan dari luas adalah kuadrat. The unit of two-dimensional shape is square. Nah, sekarang nak, pay attention to this cuboid. This is a 3-dimensional shape. Okay, I have in here centimeters as the width, lebarnya, and here panjangnya juga centimeters, and also the height centimeters. Okay, we want to find the volume. Okay, it means we multiply the 3-dimensional shape. Kan volume kan berarti 3 dimensi yang kita cari anak. We multiply centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. How much centimeters in here we multiply? How much? Berapa kali, nak?
3, Miss.
Ya.
3, Miss.
3, Miss. 3 ya. So, the units, satuan dari cuboid is centimeter cubic. So we call it as cubic. Jadi mau nanti dia cube solidnya, rectangle solidnya, or the cylinder, selalu akhiri dengan the units of cubic, centimeter cubic. Okay, kids, can you get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Ya, jadi nanti kalau misalnya ada soal, kalau kalian buat sentimeter kuadrat atau sentimeter aja itu udah nggak sesuai ya nak ya, udah berkurang poinnya ya nak ya, harus sesuai ya. Oke, in here I have a cube ya. This is a 3-dimensional shape which is a cube. Oke. Kalau namanya mencari volume nak, volume apapun itu, whatever the volume, the shape of the volume, to find the volume, the formula of that volume is the base area times the height. Okay, jadi kita lihat if this cube, the base areanya what shape? What shape the base area of this cube? Apa bentuk daerah alasnya?
Square, Miss.
Yes, the square. So nanti kita cari dulu luas or the area of the square. Okay, so the square area in here ya kan, buat sini ya, di sini kan base area times height. Base areanya itu adalah square. So we want to find the square area first, which is side times side, ya kan? Ini kan luasnya kan side times side, and then times height dikalikan dengan tingginya. Tingginya juga S side. Okay, So we have S cubic in here karena dia S-nya 3 kali kan? S time S. Okay, any questions so far, kids?
Miss,
No?
can you repeat, Miss? Just now is putus-putus.
Oh, how about now? Is it clear? Test.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, Miss ulang ya. Okay. If you want to find the formula, the volume of solid, the first thing we have to know that apapun solidnya, rumusnya itu the base area, the times height. Oke, jadi luas alasnya dikali dengan tingginya. Oke, please mute. Who's that? Oke, nah base area times height-nya. Base area-nya itu apa? Because in here we have cube, base area-nya adalah square kan? Nah, so base area is rumus mencari square area side times side ya kan? Yes, and then we multiply with the height tingginya. So in this cube we have the height is S juga karena kan cube itu the length, the width, and the height-nya kan equal kan sama semua ukurannya kan nak? So to find the volume of the cube, just multiply all of the side times side times side. We know that side is equal. Kalau misalnya side-nya 4, berarti kalikan aja 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, can you get it? Any questions so far? Okay, no ya. And then we continue ya kids ya. Oke, sebelum continue lah, Miss tanya dulu lah. Ini kan Miss sudah tunjukkan di sini the formula of how to find the volume of cube. Now I want to ask you ya, one of you. If the side is 2, what is the volume of cube? Can you solve it?
2 times 2. What, Miss?
Repeat please.
2 times 2 times 2.
Yeah, so it's equal to 2 times 2 times 2 is what?
8.
Yeah, so 8, don't forget, centimeter cubic. Ya, pangkat 3 ya, nak ya. Okay, now I want to ask Difran. Difran, if the side is 3, so the formula of the volume to find this cube is?
3 times 3 times 3.
Okay, 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to?
27.
Okay, good job. So I think most of you already know ya kids ya. It's easy ya for volume of cube ya nak ya. Okay. Next, this is, what shape is this?
Miss, cuboid.
Yes.
Cuboid.
So this solid is cuboid. Okay. As usually that I said before, to find the volume is just multiply the base area and the height. Sekarang kita tinggal identify what shape this base area, bentuk apa alasnya ini nak?
Rectangle area.
Rectangle. Yes, rectangle ya. Jadi bentuk alasnya si cuboid itu adalah rectangle. Artinya cukup cari luas dari rectangle. Luas dari rectangle apa? Length times span. Okay. And then don't forget to multiply the height. Tingginya, tinggi dari cuboid. So, ya udah berarti tinggal kalikan the 3-dimensional. The length times width times height. Yes. Okay. So, if I ask you ya, the length is 2. Okay. Nggak perlu dikalikan, cuma sebutkan aja nanti how to find ya, the way. Just say the way ya. For example, the length is 2 and the width is 3 and the height is 4. So the volume of this cuboid is, what number we multiply? This is 2, 3,
Two times 3 times 4, Miss.
yeah. So the volume of this cube just multiply the length, the width, and the height. Oke, it's easy ya kids ya. Nggak sesusah surface area kan?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Next, I have this in here. What shape is this, kids? Solid apa nih, nak?
Prism, Miss. Rectangular.
Iya, triangular prism ya. Prism itu kan ada jenisnya banyak kan. Ada rectangular prism, ada triangular prism. Nah, jadi di sini triangular prism ya, kids ya. And then, if you want to find the volume of this shape, remember just multiply the base area times height. Okay? So, let's identify this. Base area-nya dibentuk apa, nak? Alasnya ini bentuk apa?
Triangle, Miss.
Ya, di sini segitiga ya, triangle kan, nak? Oke, jadi ingat aja apa ya rumus luas untuk triangle? What is the formula of
Half.
triangle?
Half
times base
times base times height.
Yes. So, the triangle area berarti setengah dikali alasnya ini dikali tinggi dari si triangle-nya ya. So, di sini ada dua high ya, nak ya. First edge, and this is juga the second. Jadi di sini Miss warnai dia beda, karena yang di sini itu menyatakan tinggi dari segitiganya. But in here, yang warna green, tinggi dari prismnya. Jadi jangan sampai salah ya, nak ya. Okay, so to find the volume of this triangular prism is a half times base times height of the triangle, and then times height of the prism. Okay, any questions so far?
No, Miss.
No, yeah? Okay, so now please open your book, page 110. We will discuss together ya, kids ya. Coba dibuka dulu bukunya. All of you kids ya. Already?
Ready, Miss?
Oke.
Miss yang latihan 3, Miss.
Iya, yang nomor 3 ya, nak ya. 110, number 3. Okay, now I want to ask one of you ya, kids ya. So in here, Miss kasih penjelasan dulu. We want to find the volume of triangular prism. Ya kan, mencari volume. It means the base area times height, ya kan. Volume apapun itu, kalau misalnya dia solidnya itu seperti ini, cukup kalikan luas daerahnya, alasnya, and then the height, tinggi dari prismnya. Okay, now I want to ask one of you, Fabio. Can you hear me, nak? Fabio? Bisa dengar, Miss? Tes, Fabio. Oke, not here ya. Nggak di sini berarti ya. Oke lah. How about Noel? Noel, can you hear Miss JC? Nggak juga. Oke lah. Now I want to ask Andre. Andre. Nah, kita kan mau ngerjakan nomor 3 kan, Andre? Oke. Nah, kalau misalnya mau mencari volume itu kan the base area times the height, ya kan, Andre? Nah, so in here, what type, Andre, of the base area? Ini bentuk apa, nak?
I think that is I think that prism.
Ya, prism. Oke. Kan kalau kita mau sama cari prism kan cukup kalau volume kan base area. Artinya luas alas and times height atau tingginya kan, nak? Nah,
Yes.
di sini kan base area kita tahu dulu, base areanya bentuk apa? Di sini base areanya bentuk apa, Andre?
Base area.
Iya, luas alasnya itu bentuknya bentuk apa kalau di 2 dimensi? Apakah circle, apakah rectangle, square, or triangle? Ini bentuk apa, Nak?
I think that is I forget in English, Miss. I just say
Oke, just say
segitiga.
in bahasa.
Segitiga, Miss.
Oke, segitiga, triangle ya. So, it means kita cari dulu area dari si segitiga. Ya, karena itu artinya base area kan? Oke, thank you, Andrea. I continue to Nona. Nona, what the formula of the area of triangle? Apa rumus untuk luas dari segitiga?
Half times base times height.
Oke, base-nya di sini artinya alas dari segitiganya ya kan, Nona ya kan? Oke, ini kita
Yes.
masih berbicara tentang segitiga ya. Sorry. Base-nya ini artinya triangle ya, triangle. Oke, and then thank you Nona. I want to ask Difran. Difran, from this picture, what number is base, what number is height? Yang mana base-nya, yang mana alasnya, yang mana tingginya dari segitiga ini, Nak?
4 and 5.
Ya. 4 and 5. Okay, so I want to ask you first. Yang base-nya yang mana? 4 or 5?
4.
Okay, so 4 ya. So I will make in here ya. A half of base-nya 4 and then the height is what number different?
5, Miss.
Okay, thank you. And then I want to ask Rehan. Okay, Rehan, please count a half times 4 times 5. Berapa itu, Nak? A half times 4 times 5.
10.
Yes, 10 ya. So, we have in here 10 centimeter square. Square dia karena ini kan masih area ya, karena belum volume. Oke, thank you Andre. Next, I want continue ya kids ya. After this, we already know ya kan kids base areanya. Base areanya itu 10 centimeter square. And after that, we multiply with what number kids? Base area times
Height-nya, Miss.
ya, height dari si prismnya kan. So, in here I want to ask Hillary. Hillary, we already know the base area is 10 ya. 10 centimeter base area. And the height of this prism, what number, Nak? Height-nya berapa di sini, Nak? Ya?
Number 5.
Okay. So, do you think the height of this prism is 5? Prism ya, Nak, ya, bukan segitiganya. Okay. Now, I want to ask you kids, is it true or not? The height of
No, Miss.
is
Yes.
5. What number?
No. 10, Miss. 10 centimeter.
Okay. Thank you ya. Thank you, Hillary. Thank you, Nona. So, in here, we can see ya, this prism, ini alasnya. Alasnya itu segitiga. And then tadi kita sudah mencari area dari segitiga itu. Okay, so ini already kita hitung. Now, so the height is tinggal yang ini ya, karena yang belum kita hitung kan. So, it means we multiply by 10. Okay, now I want to ask Nicola. So, the volume of this triangular prism is what number? So, the volume is 10 times 10. Can you hear me, Nicholas?
100, Miss.
Yes, yeah, 100 centimeter square. not square, but cubic. Okay, so because the volume, the units is always cubic ya nak ya. So from this problem, this question, we know that the volume of this triangular prism is 1000. Okay, any questions so far? Tulis di bukunya ya nak ya, bisa ditulis ya biar nggak bingung ya nak ya.
Already, Miss.
Okay, already. Okay, now we can continue ya. This is I think we can move to the number 2. Okay, anyone can explain to us how the steps, just steps, nggak usah takut angkanya gimana, cuma caranya aja. What we are going to do first.
Miss.
To is that? Okay, I want to give a chance to, okay, Gracia, please tell us.
First, we find the base area of this
Solid, ya?
pyramid, of the solid.
Okay.
Yes, and then the base area is a half times base times height.
Okay. First, I want to ask you, what shape the base area? Bentuk apa alasnya, nak? Bentuk?
It's the triangle, Miss.
Okay, yeah, triangle, ya. So, we already know that the shape, the base area is triangle. So, it means we find the area of triangle. Okay? And this is the formula, ya, as you said. A half times base times height. Okay. And then?
And then we look how many is the base.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Gracia. Now I want to next person, yeah. Thank you, Gracia. After this, after we identify the base area, now we can see here in this picture what number is base, what number is height. Anyone can tell me yang mana base, yang mana height-nya? From this picture. Ruth, do you want to try? Hi, Rizky. Baru ini Miss lihat Rizky. Do you want to try, Ruth? From this picture, what number is base and what number is height? Bisa, nak? Still thinking? Oke, siapa yang mau coba, nak? Selain Gracia already tadi ya. Nona already. Miss mau yang lain? Divan already. Rizky, do you want to try? Indi, Cici, Christopher, Noel. Do you want to try, kids? Yang mana base-nya, yang mana height-nya dari picture ini? Kan kita kan kalau mengali-ngalikan it's easy. If we want just to multiply, cuma dikasih tahu aja panjangnya segini, lebarnya segini, tingginya segini, ya kita tinggal kalikan aja kan? But in here, we have to know to translate the picture to the formula. Kita harus tahu mengartikan dari gambar ini ke rumusnya. Jadi Miss mau tahu yang mana base-nya, yang mana height-nya in here. Anyone want to try? Brian, Ruth, is that?
Miss Nona.
Oke, nggak ada lagi yang mau nyoba, nak, selain Nona? Nggak apa-apa, jangan takut salah, nak. It's okay.
I want to try, Miss.
Who's that? Jadi nggak ada yang mau nyoba nih? Brian, Rizky, Ruth, Cici, Indi, Christopher, yang belum ngomongkan tadi nak, yang belum membahas, you have to speak up, kids, be active, please. Okay.
12 times 12 times 5, Miss.
Okay, what number, Cici? So the base is what number? Cici, tadi itu Cici kan? Bukan? Ya, oke. Cici, yang base-nya di sini yang mana, nak? Dari segitiga ini, yang alasnya yang mana, tingginya yang mana? The base is what number, kids? Tadi kayaknya Cici udah ngomong lah ya kan, tapi kok nggak kedengaran lagi suaranya, nak?
5, Miss.
Okay, so the base 5 ya. And then the height is
12, Miss.
yes, good job ya. Nah, di sini kan dibuat nih segitiganya karena dipindahkan segitiga ini alas sama bawahnya kan sama ya karena bentuknya triangle. And here we know ya di sini ada segitiga siku-sikunya. Sudut siku-sikunya artinya dia tegak lurus antara alas dan tingginya. Okay, so please count these kids. A half times 5 times 12. Berapa
30,
itu, nak?
Miss. 30 centimeter square.
30,
60,
50. What number?
60,
60.
Okay,
30, Miss.
30 centimeter. I want to ask you, square or cubic?
Square.
Ya, karena kita masih talking about the area ya. So it's 30 centimeter square. And then who wants to continue? Thank you, Cici. Next, after this, what we are going to do?
Find the volume of triangular.
Yes, we want to find the volume ya kan? Okay, base areanya we already know. What number the base area, kids?
Find the volume. 30, Miss. 30
Yes,
centimeter
30
quadrant.
centimeters. Okay. And the height of this prism is, tinggi dari bangunannya berapa, nak?
8, Miss. 8.
Yeah, so the height is 8. Okay, so
8.
please count these kids. 30 times 8.
240.
240. Okay, who's that?
200.
Okay, thank you ya kids ya. 240 centimeter cubic. We use cubic because we already find the volume ya. We talk about the volume. So the unit is cubic. In the area, the unit is square. Okay, any questions so far? Nothing?
40, Miss. No,
Okay. No ya. Oke, udah ditulis nak ini nak di bukunya nak, biar nggak nanti kalian bingung-bingung lagi. Already?
Udah, Miss.
Oke. Oke, in here kids, di sini kan mirip nak, cuma di sini ada yang membedakannya. Oke, yang dikasih tahu di sini volumenya. Tadi kan in the first example, we want to find the volume. But in here, is known the volume, yang diketahui adalah volumenya. Berarti yang dicari adalah kalau enggak alasnya, tingginya, atau lebarnya. So we can see in here. The volume of triangular prism is 112 cm cubic. Jadi volumenya dari yang bangunan ini udah diketahui, 112. And then, katanya di sini, the area of the triangular base is 8 cm square. Udah dikasih tahu juga nih, areanya, base areanya. Cuma satu yang ditanya. Find the height of the prism. Tingginya berapa ya? Nah, selama ini kan dikasih tahu kalau di picture itu areanya ini dikasih tahu tinggi dan alasnya, and also the height of the prism dikasih tahu. Sekarang ini yang ditanya itu yang height-nya, tingginya. Berarti di sini kita gimana? How to find? Ada yang bisa menjelaskan, explain in your
We
word?
divide it.
Ya?
Miss. We divide it.
Iya, we divide ya. Artinya kalau misalnya di sini kan, kalau misalnya volume tadi kan, Miss tulis di sini ya. Kalau di awalnya, in the beginning, we know that volume, what the formula of the volume, kids? Base area times
Base area times height.
height ya. Oke. Nah, and then kita kan memasukkan angkanya. We want to substitute the number ya. Misalnya kan aturan base areanya berapa, kita kalikan ya kan, misalnya segitu. Nah, but in here, dikasih tahu base areanya, volumenya. Oke, so how much the base area? 112 kan kids? 112. Nah, jadi volumenya bisa di bawah ini ya, 112. Base areanya berapa, nak?
8 cm square, Miss.
Oke, 8 cm square. And then times the height-nya itu yang mau dicari ya kan, nak? Height. Oke, nah kalau sudah tahu seperti ini, 112 sama dengan 8 dikali height. Artinya height-nya itu kita bagikan ya kan, nak? Maka height is equal to 112 divided by 8. Oke, seperti ini nak ya. Udah bisa kan kalian itu, apa sih namanya? You can change, kalau misalnya dikasih tahu hasilnya seperti ini, yang ditanya tingginya, udah bisa seperti itu nak? Atau it's new for you? It's a new for you, or you already find the example like this in the past grade?
Ever, but jarang, Miss. Ever,
Jarang.
Miss, ever.
Oke. So seperti ini
Ya, ever tapi jarang.
soal. Ya, so seperti sering muncul. Nah, karena kan is usual kalau misalnya biasanya kan it's too easy to find the volume jika dikasih tahu length, width sama height-nya. Tinggal dikalikan. But in here, this problem dikasih tahu dulu volumenya. Baru kita yang berpikir berapa kira-kira tingginya ya, gitu. Oke, any questions so far for this number 4?
Oh, Miss.
Okay, so kids, I think that's all ya for our meeting today. But please do this for your homework for tomorrow. This number 5.
Thank you, Miss.
Screenshot, Miss.
Ya?
Screenshot, Miss.
Yang what number? Yang number 5. Ini in your book loh, kids.
Have in book.
Ini di buku kamu nomor 5 soalnya ini, nak.
I just screenshot aja lah, Miss.
Oh, yang ini yang mana? Yang mana kamu screenshot, Andre? Bingung, Miss. Yang number 4 or number 5?
Bisa pomok, Miss. I just screenshot.
Okay. Ini homework ya. Number 5 ya, kids. Nah, yang mau dicari itu sama ya, nak ya. Seperti number 4. You just find the height of the prism. Okay? Any questions so far about this homework? Tomorrow ya, kids ya, I will tagih. I will ask you ya. And if you have any question, bingung ngerjainnya, besok bisa kita diskusikan ya, nak ya. Jangan takut bertanya ya. Ya, Rizky ya. Can you hear me, Rizky?
Yes, Miss.
Rizky nggak mau ke sekolah lagi, nak? Rizky, do you want offline course? Biasanya Rizky ke sekolah, sekarang nggak lagi.
What, Miss?
Nggak mau ke sekolah lagi, offline?
I think tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Okay, if you come to school, please bring your math book ya, and your exercise book. Okay, Rizky? Okay. I think that's all ya, kids ya.
Miss, I already finished.
Ooh, who's that?
Miss, Miss.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your suggestion ya kids ya. I already read that. Okay, I think that's all ya kids ya for today. Please do your homework. What ya, Gracia?
Miss, can I sometimes, if I have time, I want to do the question in the book and send to you?
Oh, yes, of course. If you want to try yourself by doing this by yourself, and if you have any question atau mau ngecek jawabannya, you can send to me ya kids ya. In the working hour. Okay, kids?
Okay, Miss, thank you.
Okay, please give your reaction kids and I will screenshot ya. Okay, kids. So
Miss, your camera is not on.
Okay, sorry ya kids, saya terpencet tadi. Okay, kids, please give your best smile. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, thank you. You can leave. Bye-bye. See you in the next meeting. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to do your homework.
Bye-bye, Miss. Thank
Bye,
you.
Miss. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
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 Sayonara.
Sampai.
Jumpa pula.
Okay, bye-bye. Please leave. And this meeting, William, Christopher, Fabio. Please end this meeting, nak. Christopher and Fabio. Okay. Indy, please end this meeting.